Action.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha and today I am doing the presentation on developing a schedule of quantities for selected trades using appropriate software like the QS6019. So going forward, so there's some overview in my presentation. So first one is introduction, and then the opening, QS6019 and navigation and creating a new building. So third one is the measurement and quantification by using QS6019, and the other one is inserting the quantities to workbook, and there's the other one, the preparing SOQ by using QS6019, and the other one is preparing a cost estimate by using the QS6019, and there's the presentation and documentation and the conclusion, and there's some references as well. So going through the schedule of quantities is a detailed document used in the construction project to list and quantify the materials, labor and other resources required for the project. It is typically part of the tendering and the contract process and serves several key purposes like the cost estimation, project control, accuracy and transparency, risk reduction as well. So for the QS6019, it is a leading software in the construction industry for precise quantification and cost estimation. It enables professionals to efficiently measure quantities from 2D drawing and 3D BIM models, automatically generating a schedule of quantities and cost estimates. So QS6019 is crucial for enhancing accuracy, reducing manual errors, and improving the productivity by linking measurements directly to cost data. Its ability to integrate with BIM and provide real-time data makes it an essential tool for quantity surveyors and estimators. So streamlining workflows and ensuring effective cost management throughout the project. So there's some softwares we're using construction like the AutoCAD, Bluebeam, PlanSwift, Revit, etc. The first one is opening the QS6019 and navigating the navigation and creating a new building. So after installing the QS6019, we will seeing that picture. So where we click the new building, because just we're doing the doing the measurement for one building as we are in the student version as well. So we use the new building project since new project is done for the new project of multi buildings. Yeah. As soon after that we click that other picture, we will be getting this one where we do some properties over there, and after that one we will add some of the page number or like that kind of thing by doing the going to RC drawings, and we will just click the other option for the pictures. And the measurement and quantification by using QS6019. So first one is this pile work. So we are taking the basement for the pile works, where we are setting the 10 pile rigs for the foundation, where driving piles is 10 meter depth, and there are 20 of the number of piles. And yep. So for that one. So GFA, the gross floor area, it is the term used in the construction to describe the total area of building measured from the internal face of the external walls. The unit of measurement, unit of the GFA is meter square. So I have taken the floor 357 over the picture, and its area was 255.41 meters square, and the length was 64.45. So whereas like count for that one was 3. And the total area was 766.22 meters square, and the total area for the overall 12-story building was 3428 meters square. So and there, yeah. So there is some of the table where we should include the GFA and other one which we can't include in the GFA, and the floor finishes. So the measurement of the floor finishes for carpet, marbles and the tiles, it has different sizes for tiles for different area, such as like 200 into 200 millimeter tiles are used for the bathrooms, 250 by 250 millimeter tiles are used for the balcony, and 600 by 600 millimeter tiles are used for the kitchen, living room, and working areas. And inserting the quantities to workbook. So, as for the inserting the quantities to workbook, we will just we'll just go to the workbook view. And so, as per our tutor, we added the other workbook view, and just we did that one and inserted the values. And yeah, so we did the build up rates as well. And the preparing SOQ. So for the preparing the SOQ, we just go to the some of the other descriptions over there, and we click in the FR rate. And after going there, we just do the other thing like the floor finishes and all of those. Presentation and documentation. So this is the last one for the presentation, where we just get the value, like as the cost tax, we just get the automated value. And as for the as we see in the we did the preliminary soft structure, superstructure, finishes, and the facade system as well. So in each of those, we mentioned we get the values, like the automated values like that. And for the conclusion, so this was the table we get it at the last for all of those trades and sections. And in the conclusion, so it explained the efficient use of the CostTax software for the detailed project analysis and the estimations, emphasizing its ability to accurately calculate key construction components such as gross floor area, pile works, floor finishes, block work, facades. It highlights CostTax comprehensive measurements capabilities, allowing users to determine areas, lengths, and quantities of materials, which results in precise cost estimation. The article emphasizes how CostTax outperforms other tools in terms of accuracy and efficiency for construction measurement and the cost analysis. So there's some of the references I got from the presentation. So yeah, that's it for my presentation.
Thank you, Nisha. Nice presentation. Just want to ask some question to you. What are the trades you measured under this exercise? What are the trades you mentioned in this presentation?
So there's a pile work, floor finishes, and concrete work as well, and facade systems.
How you measure the pile works? What are the items you measured on the pile works?
So we get the number of piles and the depth, length of it, and yeah, setting of the pile rate.
What are the main features of the CostTax?
So it got the 2D and 3D drawing tools, and it is productivity and accuracy as well, and it reduces the human errors.
It's collaborative platform.
Yeah.
Finally, just tell me about how we build up the core sheet. Why you are making the core sheet?
To reducing the errors as well.
How is the GFA?
Meter square.
Yes.
So it's pretty.
What is logic we followed? What is how we measure?
So that's a length. Oh, so external walls.
Yeah,
external walls.
Okay, thank you very much. It's the next president. You the front part of the floor.